Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. Our today's topic is overcurrent protection. We have divided this into two sessions. This is the part 1. In this detailed session, we will walk you through everything you need to know about overcurrent protection. So please watch the complete video and do not miss any part. Overcurrent protection is a safety tool that prevents current above the suitable or a certain current rating of the circuit or equipment. As we all know that electricity flows safely under normal operating condition, it does not generate excess heat and provides a steady stream of power to your device. However, an overload or a short circuit condition can occur when the current draw exceeds the normal current load or the rated current, leading to the potential electrical hazards without proper protection. So overcurrent protection is the protection against excessive current. This was the earliest protection system developed and used by the utilities. As we know, the load and the design of the circuit includes relays, conductors, determines a safe level of the current the device can handle. To prevent the issue of the higher than the normal current draw, overcurrent protection is necessary. So in overcurrent protection relay picks up when the magnitude of the current exceeds the pickup level. As far as the overcurrent protection is concerned, current is the main focus. So the role of the CTs are very important, and overcurrent relays are connected with the system by means of CTs. The protection devices used for overcurrent protection are typically circuit breakers, fuses, and overcurrent relays. When an overcurrent occurs, circuit breaker trips while the fuse blows. These devices do not correct the overcurrent problem, they simply stop the flow of electricity to protect the circuit. All electrical circuits and equipment should have overcurrent protection devices. As a result of proper protection, you can significantly reduce the risk of damage and electrical hazards. Here is how overcurrent protection device works. Number 1. Circuit breaker. Circuit breakers are automatic switch that open or trip when they detect an overcurrent event. They are designed to handle normal operating currents but react quickly when the current exceeds a predefined threshold. The threshold value is set based on the current carrying capacity of the protect equipment and the level of safety desired. For example, let's say a breaker in your home is rated for 15 ampere. The breaker will trip if you connect a microwave, a hair dryer, and a window AC until needing a combined current draw of 20 amps. When they will run at once, the circuit has a current load of 20 amperes, resulting in overload of 5 amperes. In this case, the circuit breaker will continue to trip until you remove one of the devices from the circuit or simply ensure they are not create overload condition by running simultaneously. Number 2. Fuses. Fuses are another type of the overcurrent protection devices, especially common in low voltage applications. A fuse contains a metal element that will melt and open the circuit when exposed to excessive current. Once the fuse blows, it must be replaced to restore protection. Number 3. Overcurrent relays. The basic element in the overcurrent protection is the overcurrent relay. ANSI device number is 50 for an instantaneous overcurrent or a definite time overcurrent, and 51 for the inverse definite minimum time. When an overcurrent situation occurs, the protection devices act to disconnect the affected circuit from the power supply. The interruption prevents further damage to the equipment and eliminates the potential safety hazards. After the overcurrent issue is resolved, the circuit breaker can be reset and the power is restored. This is the end of first part. In the second part, we shall discuss the schemes for overload protection. So if you like this, then please subscribe my channel and also like and share this video. Thanks for watching.